Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Odyssey front hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side, down near the floor, below the dashboard. Give that lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a small click or pop as the primary latch disengages, allowing the hood to lift slightly. Now, move to the front of your Odyssey. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right under the front edge of the hood. You're looking for a secondary safety latch. This is usually a small lever or tab, often made of plastic or metal, positioned near the center of the hood's leading edge. Once you've found the secondary latch, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your specific model. This action will fully release the hood. Now, carefully lift the hood all the way open. Look for the prop rod, which is a metal stick designed to hold the hood up. It's usually clipped into place on the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Place the end of the prop rod into the designated hole in the engine bay to keep the hood safely open. When you're finished, unclip the prop rod and secure it back in its original position. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from closing and let it drop to latch securely. Do not push down on the hood. And speaking of staying prepared, check the description below for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.